To keep our community informed and engaged, it's important to meet them where they are, and oftentimes that is social media. The district hosts official accounts on Twitter and Instagram. On Twitter, where the district's account is followed by more than 3,100 followers, those who visit the account will find a range of information, photos, and videos, all in an effort to keep those who prefer Twitter as their information platform informed and aware of what is happening in the district. Posts will include retweets of other accounts in the district, such as Dr. Brian at Radnor Middle School, school accounts, such as Radnor Elementary, links to external sites, like each week's Radnor Reader, and videos provided by other organizations, such as the Radnor Police Department. Follow us today by going to Twitter, signing up, and searching for Radnor School District. Over on our Instagram account, which has more than 4,100 followers, we post original videos, photo collages, messages that are repurposed from larger messages sent through our school messenger alert system to reach our Instagram audience, advertisements for board meetings and other meetings that are approaching, and a variety of other content to keep our Instagram audience interested and engaged on what is going on in the school district. Please note that any important message that has to reach all parents will first be sent through our school messenger, email, telephone, and text messaging alert service. We will use Instagram and Twitter as a way to supplement this initial message. Follow us on Instagram by going to Instagram, signing up, and searching Radnor TSD.